In the beginning, programmers used punch cards to do their work. It was an arduous and lengthy task. With the advent of computers, programmers could create more efficient and accessible programs. This video will examine the development of programming languages, their history, different types, and the future of programming. Programming dates back to the early 19th century, when Ada Lovelace developed an algorithm for the analytical engine, the world's first computer. The first programming language, Fortran, was created in the 1950s for engineering and scientific calculations. Languages like BASIC, ALGOL, and COBOL followed. In the 1970s, C and Pascal were developed for operating systems and software. The 1990s saw the rise of scripting languages like Perl and Python for web development. The early 2000s introduced Ruby and PHP, which became popular in web development. Today, languages like Java, C++, Python, and JavaScript are widely used across various applications. Programming languages can be broadly classified into three categories: low-level, high-level, and scripting languages. Low-level languages such as assembly language, C++, and C are closest to machine language and are used for operating systems, drivers, and firmware. High-level languages like Java, Python, and Ruby are more accessible and easier to use, commonly employed for writing applications, websites, and games. Scripting languages, such as Perl, Python, and Ruby, automate repetitive processes like web development or system administration. Each type of language serves different purposes and offers unique advantages. Java, a high-level object-oriented language created by Sun Microsystems and now owned by Oracle Corporation, is designed to be platform-independent. It is used to develop web apps, mobile applications, and enterprise software. Python, an interpreted high-level programming language, focuses on code readability and simplicity. It is widely used for data analysis, artificial intelligence, scientific computing, and web development. C, a low-level compiled language, is known for its efficiency and hardware control, making it ideal for embedded system development and systems programming. C++ extends C to support object-oriented programming and is used for high-performance software like operating systems and games. Programming is the writing of instructions that a computer will follow. These instructions must be well organized and logical to work correctly. Logical reasoning is crucial in programming, as it ensures that programs function correctly and achieve their intended results. Programmers use logic to develop algorithms, which are step-by-step instructions for solving problems. The future of programming is bright, thanks to new technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the Internet of Things. Programming languages like Python and R, used in machine learning, are becoming more popular due to the growing demand for intelligent systems and applications. The rise of no-code and low-code platforms makes programming more accessible for non-programmers. Artificial intelligence plays an increasing role in programming. AI can automate many aspects of programming, such as testing, debugging, and code generation. With the aid of machine learning algorithms, AI can use past code to learn and predict programming issues. AI can also enhance software development workflows, making it easier for programmers to manage and collaborate on code.